Hey guys, I was out here in my garden and I decided to aerial air one of my Japanese maples, and this is what I came up with. This is not your typical, well, I don't know what typical is, but see how this tree goes straight up and then it's got this nice branch, but see how it does this corky bend right there, and it has all this nice foliage up top. It's got a nice little tree here. Well, it's good out here. So see, you got a nice tree here, but the trunk not so good. So you have right here is the grafting point, and then you got this here. So what I did was right about here, I cut about 1 inch of the cambium layer off of the trunk. Then what this tube is sometimes when you go buy flowers at a nursery or herbs or stuff like that, they give it to you in those. I just cut it down shorter, taped the bottom, I sliced it down the middle down here so that I could get it onto the tree trunk, and I taped it down the side here. This is the only tape I had, so then I taped it up. Then I just took some leftover bonsai soil that I had. I took some humus and diatomaceous earth and packed it in there. And what I did was there is a drainage hole down here just so it doesn't sog up. And basically I left it open here so you can water down below and then water up here, and it will drain out. When it drains out, it drains down the trunk and down into this tree. And this I will end up with hopefully 2 nice trees to work with for bonsai. What else was I gonna say? Some people use wire and plastic, some people use cellophane. There's so many different ways to do this. There's no right or wrong way unless you don't get it to root. That's the wrong way. So let's see how this goes. I'll give you guys an update when I get some results. I'll check this probably in about 6 weeks from today. At least 6 weeks from now before I'll even check it. Lot of times I'll use clear plastic just so I can see the roots growing, but I'm not really that worried. I'm not in that big of a rush, but I want to get it going so that it has enough time to get some roots growing so I can get it planted and then be ready for winter. Anyways, this is Mr. Leslie, and I will chat you soon. Peace out, yo.